In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic download in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want websites to be able to download multiple files without asking for permission every time. It can save you time, reduce interruptions, and make your browsing experience much smoother. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. From there, select Settings. This will open the full Edge settings page where you can manage privacy, permissions, and other browser controls. On the left side menu, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains the main security and site control options for Edge. Now scroll down until you see Site Permissions. Click on that to open the list of permissions that websites can request and use. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This section shows every individual permission that Edge manages for websites. Scroll through the list until you find Automatic Downloads, then click it. Here you'll see the option to allow sites to automatically download multiple files. To turn this feature on, simply toggle the switch to On. Once enabled, websites that need to download several files in a row will be able to do so more smoothly, depending on your browser and site settings. If you ever want to turn it off later, just come back to the same menu and switch it back off. And that's it. You've now enabled automatic download in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.